Kardom, and good evening to all. My name is Muniram Teron Konkat, and I'm the Publicity Secretary of Karbi Student Association. Well, today, 1st of July 2022, is one of the darkest days in the history of Karbi Anglong. Today, one of the leading and dynamic youth leader of Karbi Anglong was arrested by the Assam police in a very humiliating way. We condemn such act by the Assam police for arresting such leaders in a very humiliating way. We, the Karbi Student Association, would like to appeal to the government of Assam and also to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to release him as early as possible. And if the government of Assam and Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council does not release him at the earliest, then we, the people of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong, will assume that the fascist party is trying to suppress the voice of the people, the voice of resistance against their sinister design to destroy our sixth schedule and also our movement for autonomous state. We, the people of Karbi Anglong, will never tolerate such oppression as well as such suppression. We would like to appeal to the people of Karbi Anglong and also to the people of West Karbi Anglong, irrespective of our affiliation with any party, with any organization. Let us all stand unitedly in this critical moment. Today, Mr. Angtong Ingti, the spokesperson of APSLC, is the victim of the fascist party and their tactics. Tomorrow, it might be you and me. We might be the victim of their sinister design. So we appeal to stand unitedly and maintain calm and tranquility. Let us adhere to the principle of democracy and let us all respect the human rights. But let us not stop our people movement until justice is prevailed for Mr. Angtong Ingti, and also justice prevail for the people of Karbi Anglong and also for the people of West Karbi Anglong. Kardom, long live people's struggle, no autonomous state, no rest, no sixth schedule, long live. Thank you.